Hello and welcome to day 44 of the 1000 days of Nocode challenge. Yesterday, we added the feature which allows the user to update their credentials, basically the email ID and password. But that functionality needed them to be logged in, plus they also needed to know their old password. But let's be honest, do we even remember our password these days? And if we don't remember the password, we cannot update our credentials. And that's why today we are going to make things easier for those of us who always keep forgetting the password by adding password reset functionality to our app. This way, even if someone forgets their password, they have a way to get into the app by resetting that password. Let's get started. Now we need to create a forgot password flow, and this could be when the user is logged out or when they don't know the old password. For that, let's go to register page where we have this login functionality, and that is a reusable element now. So let's go to the reusable element and add a text forgot password reset now, right? And this could be added in the center. Add a workflow for this. For that, search for password and select send password reset email. It will ask you for the email ID and search for email and select input login email. Again, value. You can change the subject, you can change the body, and what this does is Bubble sends an email to the email ID that is provided if that user has been registered on this particular app, and that will take them to a page called forgot password. What this does is Bubble by default sends an email to the email ID that is provided if that user has been registered on the app. And in the email, we will have a link to this particular page, which is reset password. This is a page Bubble creates by default for all the applications. Now we have new password, we have confirm new password. Click on confirm, add a workflow, which will be reset password. And this requires password and confirm password. Let's go here, click on this particular thing and change this to password and change this one to confirm password. Once that is done, go to this button, edit workflow, and to this particular step, search for password, input password's value, and this can be confirm password's value. And that's all. This will reset the user's password. So let's use error alert, reset, and here we can say password reset successfully. To try this, I need to log out. So let me first add the logout functionality over here, which is basically copy paste, and I'll call this as logout. We can search for logout functionality and add the icon. We can search for logout icon and select that. And this particular icon should log the user out. We need one more thing. When the user is logged out, if the user lands on this particular page, we will send them to register page. So I'll click on this and I'll say general, page is loaded. Here we will add a condition. If current user is logged out, then navigate them to register page. Okay, that is register plus login both together. So we will refresh this and it will take us to register page because we are logged out. And from here, I can log in or forgot password. So I'm using abcd@with7.com and I'll say forgot password reset now. We're not showing an error alert, so let's quickly add that because otherwise the user will be confused. So login, and we can go to text forgot password reset flow and add an error alert, which is basically email sent. An email has been sent to your email ID for resetting the password. Let me go back. Now let's try this for support.red7.com, and I'll click on forgot password reset now. You can see that the pop-up has come here. Now let me show you how the email looks like and what we have to do. So the email looks something like this. Hello, someone, hopefully you, submitted a request to reset your password. If it wasn't you, please ignore this message. If it was you, you can reset your password at the below link, right? And the reset link is here. When I click on this one, it will open something like this. And now you can reset it from here. I'll now put 098. I'll put some password and click on confirm. You can see reset, password reset successfully. That's how simple resetting the password on Bubble is. And that's it. Your app now has a fully functional reset password feature. This addition ensures that even if the users forget their password, they can quickly regain access to their account on the application without much frustration. Take some time to test this functionality on your app to ensure everything works smoothly. And that's it for today. Tomorrow, we are going to cover something called URL parameters. See you in the next one.